Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are working on the solution of the course book of the Pure Maths 1. This is paper 1 of the Cambridge International ASA Levels Mathematics 9709. We are working on the exercise 9C of this course book, and this is my first episode on this exercise. The topic of this exercise is integration of expressions of the form ax plus b raised to power n, and we are working on the question number 1. Let me show you the question. So here we have question number 1, exercise 9C, and the question number 1 is showing up on your screen. So we will learn how to integrate this. Okay, so very simple. What you will do, uh, you see, so when you integrate this thing, the power will be increased by 1. It will be increased by 1, so it will become 8 plus 1. With the same number you will divide, and whatever is the number with x here, that number will also come downstairs here. Okay, so plus c. So you will have 2x minus 7 raised to power 9 divided by 18 and plus c. So this is how you will do the question number 1, and it's a part. And let me check if the answer is right. Exercise, we are working on exercise 9C, question number 1. So let me show you exercise 9C, question number 1. The answer is in this form. Our answer is also right. So this is how you will do the question number 1, and it's a. So now, my dear students, we are going to work on the question number 1 and its D part. And you can see the B part, on your screen. So we have to integrate it. So very simple. The power will be increased by 1. You see. So it will become 5 plus 1. That's 6. That 6 will be here. Whatever is the number here, that will also come here. And plus c. So this will become 3x plus 1 raised to power 6 divided by 18 plus c. So this is how you will do the question number 1 and its B part. Question number 1 and its B part. Let me show you. Question number exercise 9C, question number 1 B part, 1 by 18 bracket 3x plus 1 whole raised to power 6 plus c. So this is how you will do the question number 1 and its B part. So now we will work on the question number 1 and the C part. Question number 1 and its C part. Okay, so let's try this C part. The method is same. This 2, because it's multiplying, so this will remain as it is. Okay, so 5x minus 2. The power will be increased by 1. With the same number I will divide. Whatever is the number here, that will also come here. Okay, and plus c. So we will have 2 by 45 into 5x minus 2 raised to power 9 plus c. So hopefully this will be the answer. So let's check. Let's check, sir. Exercise 9C. Let me show you the answer, sir. Our answer is right. So this is how you will do question number 1 and its C part. So question number 1 and its D part. This D part I'm going to solve. Okay, so what we will do, this 3 will remain as it is, 1 minus 2x. the power will be increased by 1. With the same number here, you divide, and whatever is the number here, you divide it here. Okay, it's minus 2 plus g. So this becomes the 3 2s are minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 2x raised to power 6 plus c. So this is how you will do question number 1 and its D part. So let me show you the answer. Okay, so here we got the answer, sir. The D part, you can see the answer, minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 2x raised to power 6 plus c. Our answer is right. So this is how you will do the question number 1 and its D part. So let's do the next part. That is the question number 1 and its E part. It is the integration of the third root of 5 minus 4x and d of x. Okay, so we are going to work on the question number 1 and its E part. Okay, the E part I'm going to work on. Now, what we will do, this is 4 raised to power 1 by 3 integration. So you will write this, increase the power by 1 with the same number 3 3 plus 1 4 4 by 3. You divide, and with this number you divide, and you write plus c. So this becomes 16 by 3. When you write it here, this will become minus 3 by 16 into 5 minus 4x raised to power. This becomes 4 by 3 plus c. Okay. So let me show you how the answer the book has written. Okay. So the book wrote the answer like this. Our answer is right. Okay. So this is how you will do the question number 1 and E part. Now let's go to the next question. The next question is going to be this part, F part. Square root of the 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay. So we will try that. Okay. This will be the F part. The F part. And you will have integrate under root bracket 2x plus 1 plus 1 whole cube d of x. Okay, so this is basically 2x plus 1 raised to power 3 by 2 d of x. 1 by 2 is of the square root part. The square root means raised to power 1 by 2. So we have to integrate it. So very simple. The power will be increased by 1. So this is 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 by 2. You write that same number here. Whatever is the number here, write it here. And plus c. Okay. 2 and 2 cancel. So you are left with 1 by 5 into 2x plus 1 raised to power 5 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer, sir. Question number 1 and its F part. Let's check. Question number 1 and it 1 by 5. Yeah. The answer is right, sir. The answer is right. F part. Our answer is same. So this is how you will do the question number 1, and it's F part. So now we will try the G part. Question number 1, and it's G part. It is integration of the 2 and by under root 3x minus 2 d of x. Okay, so we have to integrate this. So this, let me show you the G part. This is the G part, sir. So we have to integrate it. Okay, so bring this upstairs. So this becomes 3x minus 2. This power will become negative. We have to integrate this. Okay, this 2 will remain as it is. 3x minus 2 raised to 1. You will increase the power by 1. 2, 2, so this is 1 by 2. You divide whatever is the answer here, you divide with it. Whatever is the number with the x, you divide. Okay, plus c. So when you write upstairs, this will become 2. So 2 to the 4. This will become 4 by 3 into 3x minus 2 raised to power 1 by 2 plus c. So hopefully this will be the answer. Exercise 9C, question number 1, and it's G part. They have written it in the radical form. Okay. We can also write this. 4 by 3 under root of the 3x minus 2 plus c. I wrote it as raised to power 1 by 2. It's the same thing, sir. Okay. So this is how you will do question number 1, and it's G part. Now we are on the H part. H part, yeah. The H part. We will do the H part. Question number 1, and it's H part. So it says integrate. You have 2 divided by 2x plus 1 and the whole thing raised to power 3 d of x. Okay. So let me show you the H part. Here we have the H part. So, and then we will have the I part. Okay, H part. So you see 2 cube is 8. Bring that denominator upstairs, so the power will become negative. So we have to integrate it, okay? So this will remain as it is. This will be, the power will be increased by 1. So whatever is this answer, that's minus 2 will come here. And coefficient of the x will also come here. And plus c, okay? Minus 4 cutting minus 2 bracket. You will have 2x plus 1 raised to power minus 2 plus c. You can leave it like this, or you can write it like this. We can write it like this, minus 2 or plus c. We can write it like this also. So this is how you will do the H part. Let's check the answer, sir. If the answer is right, exercise 9C, question number 1, part H. They have written the answer like this. Our answer and their answer is same. Okay, the H part. Question number 1. So let's do the last part. Question number 1 of the exercise 9C, and its last part is question number one, and its I part. Question number one, its I part. Here you have we have to integrate. We have 5 divided by 4 bracket 7 minus 2x raised to power 5 d of x. Okay, so let me show you the question. The exercise 9c, question number 1, part I. So this is that part, I part, this is that part. Okay, okay. So uh, this will be integration 5 bracket 7 minus 2x raised to power minus 5 divided by 4 d of x. Okay, so what we will do, 5 by 4 will come as it is. Okay, so this power will be increased by 1. With the same number I will divide, and whatever is the coefficient here, with the same number I will divide. Okay, plus c. So now this becomes okay, this becomes 16 to the 32, minus minus plus 32. I can, this is 7 minus 2x raised to power minus 4 plus c. So we can write it like this, 5 divided by 32 bracket 7 minus 2x raised to power. Bring it downstairs so the power will become positive. So I think this is the answer. So let's check if our answer is right or not. So here we go. Question number 1, I part. The answer is right, sir. So we are done with the question number 1. I think that's it for this video. And in this video, we have completed the question number 1 of the exercise 9c. And this is our first episode on this exercise. We are working on the solution of the course book of the Pure Maths 1. This is paper 1 of the Cambridge International ASA Levels Mathematics 9709. The purpose of these videos is to provide the step-to-step guidance for those students whose mathematics skills are weak. These videos are very helpful for those students who are shy, whose mathematics skills are weak, whose maths in O levels was not that good. So, and now they are in A levels maths. They have adopted for the maths in their A levels, and so they need step-to-step guidance. So I hope that this video will be helpful to you. If you think that this video is helpful and that can be also helpful to other students, please like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please share the link of this video with your class fellows, with your cousins, whoever is preparing for AS Maths. And you see, when you like my video, when you subscribe my channel, when you share the link of this video on your social media accounts, it's appreciation. It's an appreciation for my work, and it's a support to my work. And I always say that your appreciation and your support is very, very important for me. My name is Ferhan Mazher, sir. I am from Sargodha, Pakistan. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.